if your yard suddenly smells like sewage or you've got water pooling where it shouldn't. That's not just bad luck. It could be a damaged sewer line, and that's a problem we fix every day. We start with a camera inspection. No digging, no guessing. We can see exactly where the problem is and what's causing it, whether it's tree roots, corrosion, or a crack joint from shifting soil. Once we find the issue, our Trenchless technology lets us repair the line without tearing up your lawn. In many cases, we can reline the existing pipe with a seamless epoxy coating, fast, clean, and built to last. Whether it's a small clog or a full sewer replacement, we treat every home like our own. We're family-owned, fully licensed, and trusted by Sylmar homeowners since 2008. So if you're seeing slow drains, smelling something foul, or noticing soggy spots in your yard, don't wait. Call LeadingEdge Plumbing and Rooter today, and we'll get your system flowing like new.